Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Now today in this video I am going to tell you how to make purchase order in SAP. Well, through my previous videos you would have learned about how to make PIR and now you have to make purchase order. Now as this is the main screen of SAP, over here you will write the T code ME21N. ME21N. You will press enter. Now you can see that this screen will appear. Now there are so many information and so many icons, so many buttons that a person gets confused, but I'll tell you a very simple normal way of making PO. Now from this side again, as you can see that this is a drop down menu. Over here you will choose that which type of purchase order you are going to make. Now there are local raw PO, service PO, whatever you have to make. What you will do that today I'm going to make a simple PO, so I'll just click over here and select local PO. Now what will I do after selecting local PO? Over here, this is the space where you have to mention your vendor. As it's written vendor, so please write your vendor over here and press enter. Your vendor will be selected over here. I have blurred these things due to some you can say it as secrecy, or I don't want to show these information, so please don't mind it. That's why I blurred these things. Now you will write your vendor over here, then after vendor come to this side, material. You won't write the text over here, you will write your material code. There is a designated material code in your SAP system. Here, like I have to make a purchase order of sugar, so I'll write the material code over here, press enter, then sugar will appear. Now over here, plant section, you have to write your plant, at which plants purchase order you are going to make. Means your company have 2 to 3 plants, 1 2 3, so this purchase order is going to be made of which plant. So you will select that plant, it may be 2 3 whatever, then you will select, you will press enter. Now net price will appear automatically. Now how this net price appeared? As you had made the PIR previously, as I have told you. Now PO quantity, what quantity you are going to order, it's 30,000. What is going to be its unit, it's kg. What's your delivery time, means delivery date, when you want your material to be delivered, you will write the date over here. Then after entering these things, these are the basic informations. After writing these things, you will come and click conditions over here. After clicking condition, this screen will appear. What you have to do, if you have to mention or add text in your purchase order, you will click conditions, then you will come over here, there is a blank space. As you can see that this is button is appearing, you will click on it. It will share a dialog box like this. Now there are many options, you have to write text, so you will click you will double click general sales tax. Now now you can see that this has appeared over here. Previously it was not, now it's appeared. Now it's upon you, your company's, your government's policy, that what percentage of tax you're going to put. I have put 17% or whatever, I'll put tax and enter. After entering, you can come to the second column or second option, that is text. Over here you can write any type of remarks you want to be printed on the remarks column of your purchase order. Now you will click communication. In communication you can mention your store supervisor or warehouse supervisor name and contact number. After entering these informations, you will just go you will click over here. you will click on this button that is called check button. When you click this button, it gives you, if there is any error or information remaining in your purchase order, it gives you an error or a warning. Now always remember that when SAP gives you any message in yellow highlighted, that means that is not any error, it's just giving you warning. But if you get any message highlighted in red, that means that that is not the message, it's an error, due to which your purchase order or your command or any type of execution will not be completed. So if you click the check button and it gives you any yellow color warning, that means it's okay, it's just giving you warning. You want to make change, correct it, then correct it, otherwise it's okay. Now after checking, you will click save, and now your purchase order is saved and your purchase order number will appear in the downward section. You can note it down or it's just saved. I hope that you would have liked the video and you would have understand some basic information about making purchase order in SAP. So please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question or confusion, you can ask in comments. I'll reply you. Thank you.